shotgun over here. Dude, what the fudge? Oh my gosh. See, I gotta make a vid with the M4. Wait, what the fudge? There's a freaking Rolls Royce. Oh shoot. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Make sure you guys leave a like if you guys enjoying the vid, if you guys enjoy the vid. I appreciate all the support you guys been giving me. Like I said, dude, it's every single day, another day. Freaking blessed another day. We're at 2,100 subscribers, which is freaking crazy. This is a video that's been asked so much, so I literally just installed these literally right now. It took me a while, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Running the fiber cable, running the cable is not as easy as it looks, but I got my radar on. I think I'm actually gonna hang it up this time for just for the nighttime rides, bro, because I don't know about you guys, I'm trying to play it safe, bro. I'm trying to play it super safe. Because there's like literally no one on the roads, bro. Like on a Saturday right now, I'm also like so tired, bro. I did not even plan on doing this, but I'm like, bro, I just hate procrastinating. But I really hope this vid comes out as planned. You know, I think I'm actually gonna go clean my window real quick at the gas station, just so there's no like spots in the window. But I hope you guys are vibing with those lights. I did get a steering wheel. I'm installing that tomorrow. Oh wait, this is M4. But I'm gonna clean this window real quick so we can get a nice POV right for. I'm honestly really proud about what's happening right now on YouTube. You know, I'm just really curious to like, you know, if this does become like, if this does become my career and like this is the next thing for me. If this does happen, I can't wait to look back at all these videos and be like, man, I don't know where the frick I was going and just got blessed, man. Like I'm just so curious what's gonna happen if everything goes through. Oh my gosh, it's like louder at nighttime. So yeah, I've been having like, you know, I've been planning all these things I have, and to be honest, the only way to do is I need money. You know, I need to be making a lot of money, because like my mission with this channel, dude, is just to make as many videos as possible, like of this car. Like, I want to make a video on like every little thing about this car. And then I wanted to like buy next car I want to buy. I don't have the exact list of what's next, but my goal eventually is to have a Jeep Trackhawk, an M5 Comp, an AMG E63, an Audi RS7 with like fully loaded, bro. Like the most insane thing, dude. I think there's gonna be a lot of cops out right now. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. So I'm gonna keep it a chill, but I'm gonna find like low-key spots that there's usually not too many cops. I was saying, get off the main roads, man. Oh my gosh, dude, this new intake's beautiful, bro. You don't understand. Like, I'm gonna tell you right now, guys. Like, buying a car is not necessarily worth your money, because it's not the best investment. But it's worth it if you made enough money in your life where you can spend it on, you know, invest into stocks, invest into a house. Like, I have money to buy a house, but I don't want to buy a house right now. I don't want to I know I could probably refinance if I get one. I just don't want to put myself in a huge mortgage right now. I feel I still have time. I'm still young, so I'm not tripping right now. What the fudge? Third gear is amazing, dude. Fourth gear is gonna be more beautiful. What? Oh my gosh. I really hope you guys are vibing with this POV. I know it's not like, you can't really see much, because I mean, I think I got out of this tree. But dude, I also gotta be hecka careful, because I know for a fact there's cops. But we'll see, man. Like, I don't know what's been going on. Like I said, man, you guys have been blessing me like crazy. I saw a Dodge Charger with no front bumper. Like, there's just no way he's here to do legal things, bro. Like, what would you be doing here at nighttime? So I'm gonna go see if I can find him. Bro, you already know he's going to some weird, sketchy spot to do some drift. Like, there's just no way. I mean, look, there's literally drift spots right here. Oh, dude, this guy knows a spot I don't know about. He's gone. I don't even know where the frick he is. Honestly, I gotta be careful. I don't know who's in that car. Oh, dude. Bro, there's another drift spot I didn't even know about. Yo, that's crazy. This looks just like the one that Aryan's cars goes to. This must be the other spot they be at. I bet you, bro. That guy's gone, bro. He must have thought I was a cop or something. The only thing I don't like about the nighttime, bro, is I can't see where any cops are. You know, if there's someone hiding, bro, you can't freaking see them. Like, this radar detector only does so much, because if they're not shooting me with a laser or something, I won't be able to detect them. Like, I won't. Oh, cop right there, bro. Literally cop right there. He just drove by. That's what I'm saying, bro. I gotta keep it chill. I wonder what they're up to right now, bro. I'm just so curious, because at nighttime, bro, I'm usually not out this late. You know, I wake up early. I work at 5 a.m., 6 a.m. I don't stay up anymore like I used to. Fudge. Oh my goodness, bro. That felt crazy. Sheesh, bro, that felt crazy. Oh my gosh. I don't know like what's going on with my tires, but they feel way more slippery. I don't know why they would be, but I'm gonna do another pull since it's like there's no one here. Okay, I'm like kind of scared of the power right now, dude. Like, not only do I hear it slipping like way more vividly, I don't know why. I feel like when there's a bunch of cars, I guess you don't see as much or feel as much or hear as much also. But this just feels weird, bro. I'm almost scared of the power right now, dude. Dude, it has to be because it's nighttime, bro. It feels so weird. Like, I'm actually like, I haven't been too scared of the power recently. I kind of been actually enjoying it, but right now, dude, I don't know what's going on. I'm kind of scared. It felt really, dude, it's like, even though I've been having this car for 3 weeks, I still feel the adrenaline rush when I be pushing it. That was a bad pull. I thought I was in first gear, but I guess I was in second. Dude, in second, it was pulling freaking hard. Dude, I just love how, like, no matter what time of the night it is, bro, and I was just always freaking booked out. I love it, though. I love it. Alright. Find some other roads that are going with some decent light. I'm not trying to go on the same roads. That's why I like these main streets, because there's just so much light. Like, look how good this looks right now. Oh my gosh. Dude, this car is freaking scary, bro. See, if I go down that road, there's just not too much light, so I'm gonna go down these main roads. I kind of like doing a pull in second gear. Like, first gear, I kind of like keeping it chill, but then second gear is where I gun it. I feel like the gears have a longer range. I don't know the whole logistics part. Dude, the lighting's so good here. Bruh, I should have started the video here. I don't know how much I recorded. My goal is just record like 10-12 minutes, because I'd be like, bro, I literally plan on making videos short, like, and they just go long. I don't know how. that Corvette? Oh, it is. Oh, snap. Dang, dude, this car is too much. Dude, this car doesn't get old, man. It doesn't get old. Dude, I love the area I live in, man. I love the suburbs of LA. Like, not all suburbs are good, but when you find like suburbs of, look at these roads, bro. These roads are freaking massive. They're just too massive. Like, I don't know what could be hiding. You know what I mean? I gotta be hecka safe. These cops, they're smart, bro. They ain't dumb. Yeah, I'm gonna try right here. I always be going these roads, bro, because they're just so convenient, man. And there's just the speed limit's high. Like some residential areas have like high speed limits, but not super common. Oh my gosh. Dude, that feels so different compared to like any other car I've sat in. M4 doesn't compete. Oh shoot. Picking up a radar run. See, that's what I'm saying, bro. You gotta be hella safe. If you guys enjoying the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. This is my first time doing POVs, so I don't know what to expect. Kind of worried. Because POVs are kind of like, they're hella dark, but I guess they're a vibe. Yeah, I'm gonna turn left over here so I get some better light. Please don't turn red. Let's go, we're about to make it. We're about to make it. Let's go. Definitely if I'm racing, I'm gonna put this on automatic mode. I just feel like the gear shifting is way better because the first gear I haven't pushed it to where I redline it. I usually try to shift it beforehand. Oh shoot, this bridge right here, bro. I got gun over here. It's gun over here. Dude, what the fudge? Oh my gosh, that sounded amazing. I already know the phone's not gonna do justice. I've actually been trying to look for like microphones that give like the best quality. Wait, is that called? Bro, these Ford Explorers, man, why? I'm gonna have one for work, so I can't really say much, but bro, the Ford Explorers scare me every freaking time. Sheesh, bro. Yeah, second gear pulls are way more fun. See, a lot more cars now. A motorcyclist, I'm gonna be sick. Do that. That better not be a. Dude, that looks like a cop. Bro, why? See, I can't tell at night, man. That's for sure a cop. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm at 2.5 RPMs. Why does it sound so good? Even on the low RPMs, it sounds freaking amazing. Dude, I'm just so happy that the intake did exactly what I expected. Like, you don't understand, man. So many people discouraged me. So many people told otherwise. Dude, that's an M4. It is an M4. Look at that, bro. See, I gotta make a vid with the M4. Wait, what the fudge? There's a freaking Rolls Royce. Dude, what? I've never seen that Rolls Royce here, bro. Like, see, that's what I mean, bro. The stuff that happens at night is so weird. I kind of want to meet up with that M4, dude. I don't know. See, I don't know what's going on, bro. The cops out here are freaking thirsty, dude. They're trying to give anyone doing anything illegal freaking tickets, man. Nah, it's fine. I'll see him later. I want to find that Rolls Royce. Like, what is this guy doing here? Dude, y'all don't see exotic cars that often, bro, but when I do, it's freaking... I'm so hyped up because you never see that stuff. Man, I still can't believe I'm at 2.1k subs, man. I still cannot believe that. I did not expect to hit anything near to 1k since I've started. Oh my gosh. It's popping hella right now. Dude, like I said, man, I didn't expect anything. I expected at least, like, honestly, 100 subs to me was like the goal. That was like the mission, dude. And we way past that now, bro. Time to have bigger goals, you know? Let's see if there's a Rolls Royce right here. I think this might be it. I hope it is. It is. Now you get a thumbnail. Royce versus Hellcat Redeye. This homie won't race. Nah. See, look how slow they're driving right now. I already know for a fact that I'm already recording too much. Sheesh, man. I don't know about you guys, but it does not get old. I really hope you guys enjoying this vid. I think I already recorded too much. What is that? It's Alexis. I think I already recorded too much, but who cares? I hope you guys enjoy the vid. I honestly I have no clue what's gonna happen. I feel like the nighttime vids, like I said, the lighting's not as good, so it's like it's hard to make it like I guess aesthetic. You know what I mean? I be picking up so many random signals on this freaking road. That's what scares me, man. It's because cops be chilling here. Yeah, I see nothing right now. Oh, dude. Sounds so good, bro. Let's do it. Let's go. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys saw me, dude. I'm like controlling it because it's freaking slipping out. Mad, like insane right now. It's time to get some new. Well, no, actually, the tread of my tires is good. It's just this car has too much freaking power. Dude, it's freaking amazing. Honestly, after my oil change, this freaking car got freaking. It seems faster to me, dude. Do the same thing again on this bridge. Well, not on the bridge. There's no there's no bridge like that over here, man. So that's all I got. Oh my. Sounds so good, man. So I think I'm gonna end that video off here. I think I recorded again too much. But if you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Actually, I'm gonna do the last pull right on this, bro. Right on the street.